Hello everyone, welcome to Ross Slimes. Today I'm going to be making homemade Play-Doh. Now for this recipe, it's all 100% natural ingredients, non-toxic. Your kids can play with it, you can play with it, whatever you want. You need a cupful of flour, ignore the cups, quarter cup of salt and half a cup of water. So what you want to first do is put the flour into one of your bowls. You need two bowls, because you need to do two separate mixtures. So put the flour in the bowl like that, then put the salt in and give it a nice mix up so that it's all thoroughly mixed. It's all thoroughly mixed together. Doesn't take that much mixing. Make sure it's all mixed together. You want to put that to one side. On the second bowl, you're going to put your water in, quarter cup. And then it's optional if you want to do this. If you want white Play-Doh, obviously don't put any in. But put 3 to 5 drops of food colouring in, natural food colouring. I'm using blue for this one. So that's about 5 drops. Take a spoon. Make sure it's all mixed up, nice and blue. You can see. And what you want to do is take a bowl full of flour and salt, and you need to gradually pour this in while mixing it as well. Gently pour it in while mixing. Make sure it all mixes together nicely. Use your 3 hands, obviously. Put a nice mix, so it's all mixed together. Make sure there's no lumpy bits. All mixed together. Now, it depends if you use the right amount of flour or not. It might be slightly sticky. So all you do in this case, if it's very sticky like it is this, you put some more flour in. Now you can use any flour for this. I'm using self-raised flour, but I would recommend you don't use corn flour because it'll go bad. I'll just put another 2 tablespoons in just to get rid of the stickiness. Mix it all up. And you should get some sort of dough going on with it. I don't think I've put enough dye into this one, but it'll be a very, very light blue. And once you're satisfied that the flour is thoroughly mixed in, it's not sticky anymore. Not too sticky. This is where the fun bit comes on. If you've got kids doing it, you have to have fun. You're going to pick it up and knead it with your hands. Make sure it's all. Again, if it's too sticky, put a bit more flour in just to be sure. Knead it well. Pick it up now. Knead it. If it's too sticky, put some more flour in. I haven't put enough blue in, that's why it's still white. So obviously, when you come to do it yourself, put a lot more dye in than I did. It's too late to put more dye in now. Need some more flour, it's too sticky. You don't want it sticky, you want a nice consistency so that you can mould it into whatever you want. Keep moulding it like so. Then, once it's all together, so now it's nice and stretchy like a Play-Doh. And now we'll have it. Nice ball of white Play-Doh. Should be blue, but that's my fault really. I didn't put enough dye in. There we go. there is the very own homemade Play-Doh. Now this cost me, I used Smart Price self-raising flour, tap water and table salt. So this ball of quite big Play-Doh probably cost me about less than £1 to make, less than £1 to make. And if you look at the price of Play-Doh on the shops, obviously you can see the benefit of making your own. Now you can roll this out, you can cut shapes out of it, you can make things with your Play-Doh sets if you've got Play-Doh sets. I personally don't buy Play-Doh for my daughter anymore because it's too expensive. So here's a nice, cheap, easy to make Play-Doh. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button, and of course like it, leave us a comment if you've got anything to say, nice things I hope. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.